So I'm Pepe Zamorano, the head of cardiology at the University Hospital Ramon y Cajal in Madrid. It's really incredible to see that we have a new solution to analyze mitral regurgitation. So we have the PISA, and the PISA is a very nice concept, but we were using PISA, taking data from 2D to analyze a volume that is nothing related to a 2D structure. So now we have the automatic quantification of the PISA with real 3D. And also, it's very relevant that it's possible to analyze mitral regurgitation with different jets. It is unique, and it's the first time in my life that I see that. So really, congratulations for this new achievement that is cutting edge in echo, and this is, to me, modern echocardiography.